A few days ago, there was news that Samsung is planning to introduce their Galaxy S24 series in January 2024. Interestingly, this is a month earlier than when they announced their flagship smartphones. We now have information about the announcement date, order dates, and shipping dates for the Galaxy S24. According to a report from the Elec and Taranvat, the Galaxy S24 is set to be announced on January 17, 2024 in San Jose, California, US. It's worth noting that Samsung typically holds their Galaxy Unpacked launch event in New York. However, it seems like they might choose Apple's backyard for the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event for the upcoming S24 lineup. As per the report, customers in South Korea can start pre-ordering the S24 series on either January 18 or January 19 due to time difference, with these ordered devices expected to reach customers between January 26 and January 30. For everyone in buying the Galaxy S24 directly without pre-ordering, it will be available from January 30th onwards in 2024. While we don't have pricing details for the S24 series yet, it is anticipated that Samsung will keep prices similar to those of their previous release. This suggests that we can expect a starting price of around $900 for the base model of the Galaxy S24. Meanwhile, prices for both the higher-end models, S24 Plus, and the Ultra variant could range between $1,000 to $1,200. Samsung waived the options of San Francisco and Seoul as venues for the launch event of the Galaxy S24. However, after consideration, they ultimately settled on San Jose due to their collaboration with Google and the competitive landscape posed by Apple. The company is launching the Galaxy S24 2 weeks earlier than the Galaxy S23 to improve revenue for the year's first quarter. The company seems to have settled for a timeline where its sales peak in Q1 and Q3 of each year, thanks to the launch of Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series phones. By the way, there's some news for those eagerly awaiting the Ultra models. Let's take a look at this comparison chart that shows the GPU power of the chipsets. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which will be featured in the S24 lineup. It not only surpasses the performance of Apple's M1 chip found in their computers, does so with lower power consumption as well. What's more impressive is that Apple's latest chip, the A16 in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, doesn't even come close to matching up with the 8 Gen 3. It lags behind. It's truly amazing to witness what Qualcomm has accomplished in a few years. This definitely indicates how Snapdragon is gaining momentum against Apple's chipset. If these numbers turn out to be true, we might expect a powerful device from Samsung itself next year. So, what are your thoughts on these scores for the S24 Ultra? Feel free to share your opinions down in the comments section, and for updates you can visit our channel. I'll catch you guys in our next update. Till then, take care.